Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 9 Interest Part 1 Exercise 9th A by Zainab Pohori. Have the review of basic terms. Principal denoted by the capital P. It is money, or we can say sum borrowed or sum lent. Interest I. It is money paid by borrower to the money lender for use of money borrowed. The simple interest is denoted by capital S dot capital I. Rate of interest capital R. It is the interest on every 100 rupees. If rate is 12% per year, it means rupees 12 is the interest of year on rupees 100. Time T. It is time for which the money is lent or is borrowed. If the rate of interest is per year, say 8% per year, the time T must be taken in year. If the rate of interest is per month, say 1.5% per month, the time T must be taken in month. The last definition is amount, denoted by capital A. It is the total of the sum borrowed and the interest on it. That is, amount is equal to sum borrowed plus interest. In other words, we can represent as amount equals principal plus interest. That is, capital A equal to capital P plus capital I. Let us discuss some basic formulae. Remember, the interest depends on principal, rate or rate percent, or time. The formula for calculating interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. Since we know amount is equal to principal plus interest, amount can be represented as amount A equal to principal P plus P into R into T upon 100. That is, amount is equal to P in the bracket 1 plus RT upon 100. Bracket complete. Here P is the principal, R is the rate and T is time. From this, we can find out the value of principal, rate and time by transposing the formulae. Two more points you have to remember. The day on which the money is borrowed is not included in the time. And second thing, the day on which money is paid back to the money lender is included in the time. Have a quick view on the formulae. Principal is equal to 100 into interest upon principal into time. Rate is equal to 100 into interest upon principal into time. And the last, time is equal to 100 into interest upon principal into rate. Recapitulation. I can be calculated by the formula principal into rate into time upon 100. From the value of interest, we can calculate amount. That is, principal plus interest is amount. Amount also can be calculated by this way, if direct interest is not given. In the principal, we can add the value of interest by calculating with the help of the formula of interest. That is P plus principal into rate into time upon 100. Amount can also be calculated as principal into 1 plus rate into time upon 100. Principal can be calculated by changing this formula of interest according to the expected value of principal as principal equal to 100 multiplied by interest upon rate into time. Here rate equal to 100 multiplied by interest upon principal into time. And finally the last formula, time is equal to 100 into interest upon principal into rate. So by using this formula, you can calculate any of the value asked. Let's move to the exercise 9A. Question number 1. Find the interest and amount on. There are 4 questions given. We will solve first and fourth question. First question. Principal is given rupees 750. Rate is 10% and time is given 3 years and 4 months. 3 years and 4 months can be written in this way. Out of 12 months of the year, 4 months, and in that extra this 3 years. Or you can say 3 years and 4 months out of the 12. This we will first convert into the improper fraction. So 3 into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. That is 3 into 12 plus 4 upon 12. 3 12s are 36 plus 4 40. So here we get 40 upon 12. 4 3s are 12, 4 10s are 40. So 10 upon 3 is the value of time. Let us use the formula of interest to calculate the value. So interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. Substitute all the values. So here principal is given 750 multiplied by value of rate is 10% and time is 10 by 3 upon 100. Let us go to calculate the value. 0 0 cancel here, 0 0 cancel here. In the next step you get 75 multiplied by 10 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, carry over 1, 3 5s are 15. So the value of interest is 25 into 10, that is rupees 250. So interest is 250. We have to calculate amount also. So therefore amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is 750 plus interest we calculated 250. Therefore amount is equal to rupees 1000. Question number 1, fourth question. Here principal is given rupees 4000 with the time given 1 year and 1/3. That is 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Numerator 4 and denominator 3. That is 4 upon 3 years. This we will convert in the month because rate is given 2 paise per rupee per month. So we will write here 4 upon 3 multiplied by 12. Why we have taken 12? Because in 1 year there are 12 months. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. That is 16. Now this is in the months. So years we converted into the months. Now the next one. The rate is 2 paise per rupee per month. 2 paise means 2 upon 100.
Since 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise.
Right? That is 2% per month. So rate is 2% per month. Now we will calculate interest by our formula. Principal into rate into time upon 100. Here principal is 4000 rupees. Rate is 2% per month. And here time is given 16 months Actually, it was in year, we converted it to the months. Divided by 100. So this zeros cancel. 40 into 2, 80. 80 into 60, 1280. This is 1280 rupees is the interest. Now we have to calculate the amount on it. So amount is equal to principal plus interest. That is equal to 4000 plus 1280. So it is equal to 5280 rupees. Let us solve now question number 4. In the question number 4, at the interest of rupees 7,800 on the rate 5% per year for the time 6 years and 3 by 12 months, we have to calculate principal. So here time is given 6 years and 3 about 12 months. We will convert it into the years. So 6 and 1/4. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So 6 and 1/4. This mixed fraction we converted here in the improper fraction. That is 25 upon 4 years. Now we have to calculate here principal. So the formula of principal we will use here 100 into interest upon rate into time. So let us write down the formula. Principal is equal to 100 into interest upon rate into time. So we will substitute all the values. 100 multiplied by 7008 divided by rate is 5% multiplied by time. Time is 25 upon 4. The next step, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 here. 20 multiplied by 7008, this 4 will get converted into the numerator. So multiplied by 4 upon 25. Here 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Let us divide this one. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 2 remain, 5 4s are 20, 0 as it is, 5 ones are 5, 3 remain, decimal point we will take and 5 6 are 30. So the next step, 4 into 1401.6 multiplied by 4. So principal is equal to 4 4s are 16 multiplied by 1401.6. Let us do the multiplication. Rupees 22,425.6. So principal is equal to 22,425.6. Now we will solve question number 6. In question number 6 there are two questions. Let us discuss the first one. Here in the first case they have given principal is rupees 630 and on it interest we are getting 126. In the time 4 years we have to calculate rate. So the formula for rate is equal to 100 multiplied by interest upon principal into time. So rate is equal to 100 into interest upon principal multiplied by time. So here 100 into interest is 126. Principal is 630 and time is 4 years. 0 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Here let us divide. 63 ones are 63, 63 2s are 126. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So 5%. per year is the rate at this given quantity. So rate is 5% per year. Now let us turn to the second question. In the second question it is given, we have to find out rate at which the sum will be doubled by itself in 6 and 1/4 year. Let principal be 100. Now what is given? It will get doubled. It will amount to double. Means its amount is equal to 2 into 100. That is rupees 200. Rupees 200. Here principal is 100 rupees. Amount will get doubled by itself. So 2 into 100. That is 200 rupees is amount. So in this case we will get interest is equal to 200 minus principal. That is 100. It is rupees 100. 100 is the interest. Only this formula we have transposed. From that we can get interest. Now we have to find out rate. Hence we will use again formula of rate. Rate is equal to 100 multiplied by interest upon principal into time. 100 interest is 100 rupees upon principal is 100 rupees and time is 6 and 1/4. 6 and 1/4 means 6 for the 24 plus 1 25 upon 4. So 25 upon 4. In the next step this 100 get cancelled. 100 into 4 upon 25. 4 got transposed by multiplying it. 25 1 the 25, 25 4 the 4 into 4, that is 16%. Here the rate is 16%.
Question number 10.
We have to find out the time required to turn the interest equivalent to 5/8 of the sum of amount at the 6% rate. Let the sum of amount is equal to T. Now what they are telling here? Simple interest is becoming 5/8 of that of sum of amount. So interest is equal to 5 upon 8 multiplied by P. We know the formula of interest. It is principal into rate into time upon 100. So let us substitute the value. So interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. Here, what is the value of interest? It is 5/8 multiplied by P. Or you can write it as 5P upon 8. Principal we let it here as a P. Multiplied by rate is 6. Time we don't know, we have to calculate upon 100. The like terms will get
Cancelled.
So in the next step we can write down 5 upon 8 is equal to 60 upon 100. Therefore P is equal to 5 into 100 upon 8 into 6 by transposing the terms to get the value of T. 4 2s are 8 and 4 25s are 100. So here we get time is equal to 125 upon 6 2s are 12 here. It means 10 years and 5 months. So time is equal to 10 years and 5 months. Learn all the formulae and try to solve all the remaining examples from this exercise.